So here's the truck stop, and I set my destination. I put myself off duty for about half an hour so I can gain as much hours as possible, because I can drive 5 hours at a time, 6, without stopping, unless I have to use the restroom real quick. I don't like to waste too much time if I don't have to. So I only have 2 hours and 55 minutes before I have to take another half an hour, and I'm already 29 minutes in weighing this load, so I might as well just wait a couple of minutes and it'll be 30 and I'd get more time on my clock here.
Home. Messaging. You have 2 hours and 54 minutes of remaining drive time.
But actually I have 8 hours and 44 minutes to try and get as closest to Texas as I can.
Home. Messaging.
Put the navigation back to going to the Loves in Texas.
Asking for route.
And getting my route set. So, let's see. And that's about it.
Building route. In 134 feet, turn left to Antique Lane Northeast. Then, after 139 feet, turn right to Dunn Radcliffe Road Northwest.
I gotta get me a broom, because now the inside of my truck, right here where I sit, is all full of this cement white stuff. And I like keeping my place clean, because that's just what I like. Keeping my area clean over here.
You have 3 unread messages. You have 3 unread messages.
I saw some nice jackets in there though. Some winter jackets, some thin-insulate jackets. They were asking for like $88 for a thin-insulate jacket. That's kind of, no. And then $69, no. That's kind of steep for me right now, especially I'm on my own. So let's take it to the road. Say a prayer. Ask the Lord to keep us safe on the road. Watch the truck from the front to the back, to the left to the right, so that other people drive safely. Make it to your destination safe and sound, so you can get to another one. Stay working, stay happy, stay live.
Then, turn right.
I don't know why she said turn left.
Turn right to, in 104 feet, turn right to Dunn Radcliffe Road Northwest.
Yeah, that sounds better. Sometimes the Qualcomms don't know what they're saying.
Turn right to Dunn Radcliffe Road Northwest.
If you're going to be a retarded and do every single thing the Qualcomm says, without thinking, well, that don't sound too good. You gotta use, a little bit of better judgment. People who follow the Qualcomm like it's gospel end up, someplace they're not supposed to be. And then they turn around and say, well, the Qualcomm said, and then the police looks at you like you're a retard. It's supposed to just be, a guide. It's not supposed to be gospel.
Take road on the left, then continue straight.
Follow every single
Continue straight in a quarter mile. Continue on to
Direction.
I-55 South.
Okay, I'm a little rusty on my shifting. After driving an automatic for almost a year, maybe even a year, I get rusty on how to drive a manual stick shift. Yep, it's like learning all over again, kind of. Not really. But some things you forget.
Continue on to I-55 South.
The more you do it, the better you get. It's been about 4 days since I've been back on a truck
Proceed
with a
south
stick
on
shift.
I-55 South in 78 miles. Big exit 290 on the right for I-12 West and Beverage.
So I don't think I'm doing too bad. Showing you a little bit of the road here. Basically looks all the same. Kind of big trees, green grass, cows. Lots of cows. Big houses. A lot of trailer houses. And lots of nice people. Mississippi, nice people. Cordial, kind, respectful, open doors. Yes, ma'am. So what do I say? Yes, sir. Do I say yes, ma'am, too? I don't know. Being raised on the West Coast, not everybody says yes, ma'am. Sometimes some people get offended. Don't call me ma'am. I'm not that old. But you do it out of respect for everybody. So it's all good. I like that. At least I'm not in the snow. It says 39 degrees. It's still kind of cold. Frost is barely melting off all the grass. So I guess I'll shut down for now. Recording. Get to listening to my music. Or listening to my Bible verses. App for everything. You listen to the Bible all day long. You listen to your music. Whatever you want to do. I like listening to radio shows on YouTube. Talking about what's going to happen within the next few years. You know? When the money crashes, people go crazy. The civil unrest, martial law. It's all about the big people wanting to be in control of all the sheep. So I suggest to everybody right now, big money in the bank, take it out little by little. Not all at once, because they might not even let you do that. Like, take out like $5 grand at a time, every other week or something.
The message has arrived.
Buy yourself some gold, silver, anything you can barter with, because paper money, I believe, is going to be obsolete. I mean, you don't have to believe me if you don't want. I hope it doesn't happen. But I've seen it in my dreams. So I've had premonitions. It's a forewarning to everybody. Invest in camping equipment. Take your money out the bank. Buy things you can barter with. You ready to head for the hills?